Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, I am super excited to talk about the Shure MX395B bi-LED condenser microphone. This little powerhouse is only 1.25 inches (3.8 centimeters) in diameter, making it perfect for discreet and professional audio capture. But don't let its size fool you, the MX395B bi-LED delivers an impressive wide dynamic range and smooth frequency response that will elevate your audio recordings to the next level. One of the standout features of this microphone is its logic input for remote LED control, allowing for seamless integration into your existing setup. And with Shure's ComShield technology, you can say goodbye to unwanted RF interference and enjoy crystal clear sound every time. If you're serious about achieving top-tier audio quality, the Shure MX395B bi-LED condenser microphone is a must-have for your studio or live performance setup. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And the best part? You can purchase the Shure MX395B bi-LED condenser microphone through the link in the description below. So don't wait, take your audio game to the next level with Shure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving into the world of denim with the signature by Levi Strauss Company. Gold label women's modern skinny jeans. These jeans are an absolute must-have for every fashion-forward woman out there. They're designed to flatter your figure and give you that perfect modern skinny fit that we all love. What sets these jeans apart is the high-quality denim fabric that provides a comfortable stretch without losing its shape. Whether you're rocking the standard or plus size, these jeans offer a stylish and flattering silhouette that you'll love. So, if you're looking for a reliable pair of skinny jeans that will take you from day to night in style, look no further. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the signature by Levi Strauss Company. Gold label women's modern skinny jeans today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Jamo Studio Series S808 subwoofer in black. This subwoofer is the perfect combination of style and performance, making it a must-have for any audio enthusiast. The 8 polyfiber woofer delivers deep, rich bass that will enhance your music, movies, and gaming experiences. The 100-watt bottom-mounted Class D amplifier provides powerful and clear sound, giving you the high-quality audio you deserve. What's more, the ultra-slim cabinet design allows the subwoofer to fit seamlessly into any room without taking up too much space. Plus, the sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance to your setup. So, if you're looking to take your audio to the next level, the Jamo Studio Series S808 subwoofer is the perfect choice. And the best part is, you can get your hands on one right now by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your audio experience. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Energizer AA and AAA batteries combo pack. This pack includes 24 max AA batteries and 24 max AAA batteries, giving you a total of 48 long-lasting batteries. These Energizer Max alkaline batteries are our No. 1 longest-lasting batteries, ensuring that your everyday devices stay powered for longer. With leak-resistant construction, you can rest assured that your devices are protected from any potential leakage for up to 2 years. But that's not all, these batteries also hold power for up to 10 years in storage, so you'll never be left powerless when you need them most. Plus, they're eligible for use with an Amazon Smart Shelf auto-replenishment scale to keep you stocked on your favorite necessities. So if you want reliable, long-lasting power for all your devices, be sure to check out the Energizer AA and AAA batteries combo pack. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Hasbro gaming Guess Who? Original board game. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Guess Who? Original game is a classic guessing game that's perfect for kids ages 6 and up. It's a fun and interactive way for kids to use yes or no questions to guess each other's mystery character and win the game. But that's not all, this edition comes with double-sided character sheets featuring classic characters and superhero characters. So whether your kids are into people or superheroes, they'll have a blast playing this game. If you grew up loving the classic Guess Who game, you'll be glad to know that this edition stays true to the original gameplay. It's a great way to introduce a new generation to this timeless game. Not only is it fun, but it's also easy to load and set up. With its one-motion setup, easy-to-load frame, and convenient fold-up case, it's perfect for on-the-go play. And if you're looking for a gift for a child aged 6 and up, this game is a great option. It's perfect for birthdays or holidays, and it's sure to provide hours of fun for the whole family. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Hasbro Gaming Guess Who original board game today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're taking a look at the HP Envy Inspire 7950 wireless color all-in-one printer with 6 months free ink with HP. This sleek and stylish printer is a game changer for anyone looking for high-quality printing at home or in the office. With ISO speeds of up to 15 ppm in black and 10 ppm in color, you'll be able to breeze through all your printing tasks with ease. Plus, with print resolutions of up to 1200x1200 pi in black and 4800x1200 pi in color, you can expect sharp, vibrant results every time. The scanner boasts hardware resolutions of up to 1200x1200 pi and optical resolutions of up to 1200 pi, ensuring that all your scanned documents and photos look crystal clear. And when it comes to copying, you can count on resolutions of up to 600 pi for both black and color. But that's not all. With 6 months of free ink included with HP, you'll be saving time and money right from the get-go. And with the convenience of wireless printing and easy mobile setup, you'll be printing from your phone or tablet in no time. So, if you're ready to take your printing game to the next level, be sure to check out the HP Envy Inspire 7950 wireless color all-in-one printer with 6 months free ink with HP today. Click the link in the description to get yours now and elevate your printing experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at these amazing black leather platform boots for women. If you're looking to make a bold statement with your footwear, then these chunky block-heeled boots are perfect for you. The square toe design and the sleek black leather make these boots the ultimate fashion statement. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or adding some edge to your everyday look, these boots will definitely turn heads. Not only are they stylish, but they're also incredibly comfortable. The platform sole provides extra support, and the chunky heel ensures that you can strut your stuff all day long without any discomfort. So, if you're ready to elevate your shoe game and add a touch of edgy sophistication to your wardrobe, then these black leather platform boots are a must-have. You can find the link to purchase these awesome boots in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, pet lovers. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the Dog Grooming Clippers Kit. This kit is an absolute game changer when it comes to grooming your furry friends. Not only does it feature a superior motor and whisper quiet technology, but it also keeps your pets calm and relaxed during the grooming process. With 3 trimmer heads and 1 nail grinder head, this kit has everything you need for full body clipping and nail sharpening. It's easy to operate, washable, and lightweight, making it perfect for any pet owner. The best part? It's rechargeable, so you can use it for up to 90 minutes continuously on just a 4-hour charge. Plus, the cordless design allows for exceptional flexibility, making it easier to reach those hard-to-groom spots. So, if you want to give your pets a safe, relaxing, and excellent grooming experience, then this Dog Grooming Clippers Kit is a must-have. Don't wait any longer, click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing pet grooming tool today. Hey there, LEGO fans. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 retro camera toy. This awesome set transforms from a toy camera to a retro video camera to a retro TV set, giving you 3 different ways to play with just one set of bricks. Boys and girls ages 8 and up can unleash their creativity as they build and rebuild these vintage technology models. With an endless possibilities for play, kids can dream up their own fun-filled stories with the camera, video camera, and TV. Not only that, but each retro toy is feature-packed, with the camera toy having a moving lens, buttons to press, film to load in the back, and a strap. The video camera has an opening flap for filming, and the TV even has an antenna. Once built, these models can stand alone and be displayed by kids when playtime is over. Plus, with 6 stickers for each retro toy, kids can add extra fun and personality to their creations. This 3-in-1 toy is the perfect photography gift for boys and girls, providing a fun build and play experience for ages 8 and up. And the fun doesn't stop there. You can expand the 3-in-1 fun with other sets from the LEGO Creator range, including amazing animals, cool vehicles, and detailed city scenes. So, if you're looking for a unique and creative gift, or just want to add some retro fun to your LEGO collection, click the link in the description to get your own LEGO Creator 3-in-1 retro camera toy today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting LEGO reviews and builds. Thanks for watching, and happy building!